Alright, y'all, this trade is live. How you doing, y'all? This is your boy, the Big Kahuna. Welcome to the Big Kahuna TV. Or channel, welcome to the Big Kahuna channel. I tried the trade earlier this morning, took an L. And, took an L. But then I saw my buy setup here on the 3-minute here. That was my buy setup. I didn't realize it until after I took the L, and I'm like, wait a minute, what am I doing? Type deal. So, yeah. Flip from this low to this high here. I already missed the entry here already because it was like around 5 something, and I was busy at the time. So what I did was I took off the 15-minute here. Actually, I'm sorry. My buy setup was on the 15. So I totally missed it because I thought it was selling. I had an entry here because of this order block right here. I had an entry here, but then it blew past it. So I'm like, okay, cool. So it's gonna come back and tap into it for a buy. So I immediately changed my bias, placed my entry here halfway of this imbalanced candle for the buy up, because yesterday when I marked it up, I didn't this blue line is my entry. I was just marking it up. I wasn't trying to look for any entries or anything yesterday. I just marked it up, and I missed well, there was a nice setup here. That would have been nice all the way to where it's currently at now, but look to the left. There was something here, right? So if you go to the 4-hour, you see it was half of this imbalance. A balanced candle here. You can balance itself out halfway, more than half really, and then continue going up. So now that's what I'm in. I'm in these buys here. We already had a change of character after it broke here. So I'm just expecting this to continue flying up. I don't know if there's any news today, but we'll see. I would have probably put it here, but I really do see this continuing its upward trend more towards this 1-hour range, to be honest with you. So, because overall, sorry for my charts here. Overall, if we look to the left here, we're still uptrending. We are still uptrending, yo. So, unless it blows through my 4-hour zone, I'll probably put my TP here at the 1-hour, to be honest with you. And I'm gonna do that with the other account also. Yes, I lost a lot because I was over trading. So that's just the consequences. So this week, I'm being transparent as hell with you guys. And that's my biggest issue is over trading. But I have something that'll fix that immediately. So for 1 to 6 here. So we'll see that. Yup. To be honest with you, I could probably see this going into the 4-hour range, to be honest with you, but this is future, so it won't let me hold this trade overnight. So it cuts off the trade at 3:59 p.m. and then I gotta wait an hour, and then I gotta trade at 6. So as you can see, this was my trading zone. If I was trading yesterday, I would have gotten into here and then rating this all the way down, or gotten into here really for the retest. It broke and then retested, gotten in there, and then ride this down to where it's at currently. But I normally go for a 1 and 3 on that one, since it's halfway, and I don't know how far it was gonna go. But this one, most definitely, I'll hold it up all the way up to my 1 hour range here. And I'll call it a day. That's about it. We are up 250 on the account. Yeah, I know this is my 300K that I sloppily, that I messed up on, you know. There's my 300K that I messed up on, so I should be back at break even and be done for the day, for reals, for reals. Here's the other account that I was on, and I was up 4,000, lost 2,000 of it throughout the week last week, so. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'll let y'all go. Other than that, I'll see y'all in later on. Alright, y'all. As you can see, came back. Was in drawdown for a minute. It came back and hit my re-entry, to be honest with you. I should have just placed it here. A re-entry for the reaccumulation. This was accumulation. Then it reaccumulated, so I could have put my entry back here, somewhere in between the 618 and 70 for the continuation of the buy. But oh well, I was in drawdown. So this is it right here. We should be going up for the day. So it's barely 7 o'clock. London session, New York session hasn't opened yet. But this is pre-New York. So alright, man, I'll keep you guys posted. Sorry. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, this is where we're at. I might get out of this trade, to be honest with you, and be done for the day. You gonna see, man, it didn't push its way back up through. You can see it retested here. And my boom broke, retested, tried to come back, but it just couldn't. The buys aren't there yet. And we'll see. Hope New York session pushes this thing through the moon. But, excuse me, but I will be back with another update. Yo, I was so tempted to like close these trades out and then get back in on a lower entry. But then that means if I close these trades out, then I can't trade again, you know, because I'm in drawdown. It's all gravy. I should push yourself back up. Had a change of character here. Came back, retested, took out the liquidity that it left here, filled in, boom, boom, changed the character again, create a new high, broke, came down, captured this liquidity down here, and there's this imbalanced candle right here, this green one that I came back to tap into, and it should start going up. That's the next step, because everything is telling me it's buying. So I will come back with another update. But yeah, everything's telling me it's buying. So this is what that's my bias for right now. I'm in my bias. I'm strong on this bias. So if it tells me otherwise, then that means it's just gonna take me out. So yeah. So I'm not tripping about it at all. Yeah, I'm not tripping about it at all. Alright, I'm gonna see what 745 does here. See if we get a push up. As you can see, it's hovering around my buy entry. My buy entry model entry, which is at the negative 20. Which is the 70 here on this Fibonacci. Yeah, let me pull this. this is what I see here. There's 70% on the fibs. Yep, came back, tapped into it. Oh yeah, it's a strong push to the top side. Now let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Y'all know how we do it. As long as it breaks up here, we good. Breaks this high, I see a harmonic pattern here for that form too on this 1 minute time frame. So if once it breaks this lower high or higher low right here, once it brings us higher low right here, then we in it. We in it to win it, because it's gonna go. It's gonna go. As you can see, it touches my entry again. My entry is all the way up here. I got in early. That's all I gotta say about that. I don't feel like I have to explain it myself. I didn't mind being in drawdown a little bit, because this right here on the 15 minute is a big engulfing imbalance candle that I targeted, and it just continued going down, retesting my entry. So my entry model for the entry, because I missed it, which was this green line here, which is the 70.5% on the fib. The orange line is a 618, as you can see over here. And yeah, we retested the 618. Nice. Okay, we going up, y'all. We going up. We going up. We are going up. I'm not worried. Okay, yes, I could have gotten in on a better entry, but I didn't mind the drawdown, like I said. It's all good. It's all gravy. Alright, y'all. We're coming up to this point right here. We should break it. We should break it. It's a solid, strong uptrend here. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. Yep. That's what I like to see. Bam! Look at that nice breakout. Y'all see that? Lovely. Alright, y'all. We in it. I'm not even worried about it coming back now. Broke out here. Break there. We Gucci also. Sorry about that, y'all. It breaks there and we Gucci. Oh yeah, look at that strong buy to the top side. Let's see what 745 does. It should be bullish as well, and it should just skyrocket. And that's what I want to see. Yes, I am in a little bit of drawdown. It's still fine. I'm not tripping about it. We're still in there like swimwear. It's not always about catching that sniper entry, Bam, there's that push up. That's what I want to see. And we good. We in there. That should put me over and back at break even and in the profits. So yeah. So I'll be back. Well, y'all, took me up. I'm done for the day. Laters.